Good evening, students. Today topic is what is computer network? What is computer network or computer network introduction? So, the computer network is a group of computers connected with each other through wires. Computer network is a group of computers connected with each other through wires, optical fibers, or optical links so that various devices can interact with each other through a network. A computer network is a group of computers. Different types of computers all are connected with each other through wires or optical fibers or cables or links. The main aim of the computer network is the sharing of resources among various devices. The main aim of the computer network is sharing of resources among various devices. In the case of computer networks technology, there are several types of networks that vary from simply to complex levels. Okay, na? So mainly components of computer network is National Interface Card, NIC, hub, switches, modem, router, cables and connectors. These are the components we are using computer network. National Interface Card, hub, switches, modem, router, cables and connectors. సో ఈ నేషనల్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కార్డ్ హబ్ స్విచెస్ మోడర్న్ రూటర్స్ కేబుల్స్ అనేవి కూడా హార్డ్వేర్ పార్ట్స్ కింద వస్తాయి. నెట్వర్క్ హార్డ్వేర్ పార్ట్స్ హబ్ స్విచెస్ మోడర్న్ రూటరు కేబుల్స్ కనెక్టర్స్ ఈ కాంపోనెంట్స్ అనేవి కంప్యూటర్ హార్డ్వేర్ పార్ట్స్కి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. నెట్వర్క్ హార్డ్వేర్ పార్ట్స్. సో మేజర్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ కంప్యూటర్ నెట్వర్క్స్ ఆర్ NIC, నేషనల్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కార్డ్. So what is NIC? The NIC is a device that helps to the computer to communicate with another device. The NIC is used to communicate with one device to another device. The network interface card contains the hardware addresses. The data link layer protocol uses these addresses to identify the system on the network so that it transfers the data to the correct destination. Okay, na? There are two types of NICs are there. First one is wireless NIC and wired NIC. So what is wireless NIC? All the modern laptops use this wireless NIC. మన ల్యాప్టాప్స్లో యూజ్ చేసేది అంతా ఏంటంటే వైర్లెస్ NIC. In wireless NIC, a connection is made using the antenna that employs the radio wave technology. So what is wired NIC? Wired NIC means cables. So cables use the wired NIC to transfer the data over the media. So hub, switches, routers, modem, these are all hardware, network hardware parts. Hub means, so what is hub? Hub is a central device that splits the network connection into multiple devices. When computer requests for information from a computer, it sends the request to the hub. The hub distributes this request to all the interconnected computers. Okay, na? Next, switch. So what is switch? Switch is a networking device that groups all the devices over the network to transfer the data to another device. A switch is a better than hub as it does not broadcast the messages over the network. Router. A router is a device that connects the LAN to the internet. Routers and idea ఉంది కదండి. The router is mainly used to connect the distinct networks or connect the internet multiple computers. Modem. Modem. So modem connects the computer to the internet over the existing telephone line. A modem is not a integrated with the computer motherboard. So a modem is a separate part of the PC, not on the motherboard. మోడెం అంటే ఐడియా ఉంది కదండి, మన మదర్ బోర్డ్లో మోడెం ఉంటుంది. But that is a separate part of the PC slot on the motherboard. Computer network components compares both physical parts as well as software required for installing computer networks, both at organization and at home. So the hardware components are the server, client, feed, transmission medium, and connecting devices. The software components are operating system and protocols. So software hardware networks ante software means operating system and protocols. ఇవి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కింద వస్తాయి. హార్డ్వేర్ కింద ఏమొస్తాయంటే ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిన మోడమ్, రూటర్, హబ్, స్విచెస్, NIC, these are all examples of hardware components. And also server, clients, feeds, transmission mediums, and connecting devices. These are all hardware components. Okay, na? Next topic is protocols and standard in computer networks. So what is protocol? In order to make communication successful between devices, some rules and procedures should be agreed upon at the sending and receiving ends of the system. Okay, na? In order to make communication successful between two devices, we have to maintain some rules and procedures should be agreed upon at the sending and receiving ends of the system. Such kind of rules and procedures are called as protocols. Different types of protocols are used for different types of communications. Okay, na? These are the diagram for protocol, sender and receiver. In above diagram, protocols are shown set of rules such that communication between sender and receiver is not possible without protocol. So what is standards? Standards are the set of rules for the data communication that are needed for exchange of information among devices. So it is important to follow standards which are created by various standard organizations like IEEE, ISO, ANSI. These are all standards. Okay, na? So types of standards. Mainly two types are there. First one is the DE fact standard, DE journal standard. DE factor standard and these are the standards that have not been approved by any organization but have been adapted as a standard because if it's widespread use. Also, sometimes these standards are often established by manufacturers. The JIR standards. So, these are the standards that have been approved by officially recognized body like ANSI, ISO, IEEE, etc. These are the standards which are important to follow if it is required or needed. Okay, na? Next, OSI and TCP/IP reference models. So OSI and TCP/IP reference model similarities ఏముంటాయి అంటే OSI model కి and TCP/IP IPC model కి some similarities and some differences are there. So we will see what is what. So first, similarities. Both the references models are based upon layered architecture. First point. Second point is the layers in the models are compared with each other. The physical layer and the data link layers of the OSI model correspond to the link layer of the TCP and IP model. Third similarity వచ్చేసి in both the models and protocols are defined in a layer wise manner. In both models, data is divided into packets and each packet may take the individual route from the source to the destination. These are all similarities. So differences is OSI model is a generic model that is based upon functionalities of the each layer. So TCP/IP model is protocol oriented standard, and OSI model distinguishes the three concepts, namely services, interfaces, and protocols. TCP/IP does not have any clear distinctions between these three. OSI model give guidelines on how communication needs to be done, while TCP/IP protocol layout standards on which the internet was developed. So the TCP/IP is a more practical model. In OSI, the model was developed first and then the protocols in each layer were developed. In the TCP/IP suite, the protocols were developed first and then the model was developed. The OSI have 7 layers, while the TCP/IP have 4 layers. OSI have 7 layers. What are they? Application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layer. Whereas TCP/IP has 4 layers. What is there? What are they? Application layer, transport layer, internet layer, network access layer. These are the layers. So network examples. So network example వచ్చేసి ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వచ్చేసి వరల్డ్ వైడ్ వెబ్ www.com అని కొడతాం కదా, www.google.com అని కొడతాం కదా. సో www.com అనేది కూడా వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ నెట్వర్క్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. This is the direct network in which nodes represented web pages and edges are the hyperlinks between pages. Second వచ్చేసి the internet. Third one వచ్చేసి power line and airline networks, citizen networks, language networks, food webs, economic networks, metabolic and OTN networks. These are all networks examples. www, internet, power line and airline networks, citizen networks, language networks, food webs, economic networks, metabolic and OTN networks. మీ హోమ్లో యూజ్ చేసే వైఫై కూడా ఒక నెట్వర్క్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏనండి.